Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different crafty activities and we are going to play with some of the colorful sheets of the paper and create some of the paper origami things. These activities are very fascinating and cool. Let's give it a try. First we are going to show you how we can make this fish. Let's move our attention towards the next activity. Here we are going to show you using some of these colorful sheets of the paper. We are going to make some of the carry bags that are so beautiful and so cool. These activities are very easy and very less time consuming. These are best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. You may require some of the glue, some scissors and some colorful sheets of the paper. This turns so beautiful at the end. Just have a look. Let's move towards the another activity. Here on this white sheet of the paper I have traced out some of the eyes and then I am just cutting them down using the scissor and pasting them on these polythene gloves. Then I'm inserting them over this disposable cup using the rubber band. I'm going to just hold it tightly and a straw is also used. This looks so good. Let's shift our attention towards the another activity. This is very good and easy. You just have to cut down some of the paper strips as apparent on your screens. Then you just have to fold them or roll them over this toothpick as shown on your screen. Then it will represent a top. Let's move towards the another activity. You may require a colorful sheet of the paper and you just have to fold it as shown on your screens. Then just release it and open it. And then it's just somewhat similar to that we used to make the fan. It's almost similar to that. Double-sided tape is required and you just have to fix from the all the ends so that a circular space is created. Then you just have to make this paper person and just place it over it. This activity is very simple and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Just give it a try. Let's move our attention towards the another activity. We are going to show you how we can create these beautiful tiny butterflies out of some colorful sheets of the paper. You just have to take the circular piece of the sheet and you just have to fold it. Then you just have to create some of the creases and you just have to open it. Be careful while you are making the creases because you just have to take care that the design that we are going to make should be perfect. Then I'm going to paste these antennae that I have created with the help of my hands and then you just have to open it. See how this turns to be. Let's shift our attention towards the next activity. For this you may require some colorful sheets of the paper, some earbuds, some scissors and glue stick. Also we are going to show you a cool painting that is representing the snowy look of a village. It looks so perfect and the snowman looks so cute. You can definitely give it a try. Let's now move towards another activity. Here I'm taking the sheet of the paper. The measurements are already given on your screens. Then I'm just folding it as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Just follow each step carefully like I'm doing here. This activity is very simple and it's very cool. It's very less time consuming. Our beautiful boat is ready in just few easy simple steps. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Just give it a try. It looks so perfect. You can use any other color of your own choice. Thank you for watching our videos.